So Oppo's about to drop what they're calling the world's thinnest foldable smartphone, the Find N5. Oh, and it's basically the OnePlus Open 2 for the global market. Oppo's teaser didn't hold back, showing off just how slim this thing is. When unfolded, it's only 4.2mm thick. That's barely more than a USB-C port. For context, the Honor Magic V3 is 4.35mm thick unfolded, and that's already impressively thin. The Huawei Mate XT is technically thinner at 3.6mm, but since it folds twice, it's kind of in a league of its own. What's wild is that we're now looking at foldables that, when folded, are about as thick as regular slab phones. That's a huge deal. It's like foldables are finally shedding that bulky stereotype. As for the launch, Oppo's playing it close to the chest, but there's a hint from an executive suggesting a global release alongside the OnePlus Open 2, just like they did with the Find N3. The exact date's still under wraps, but it's expected sometime the week of February 17th, with guesses floating around the 19th to the 21st. Now, let's talk specs. Rumor has it the Find N5 aka Open 2 will rock the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with 7 CPU cores. It's confirmed to support 50-watt wireless charging, and get this, it'll have IPX6, IPX8, and IPX9 water resistance ratings. That's some serious durability for something this thin. Word is, even with its slim design, it's got over 5,500 mAh. That's bigger than the original OnePlus Open, which is kind of mind-blowing. The camera setup? A triple 50MP rear array with rumored telephoto macro capabilities, something you don't see often. Front cameras are expected to stick with 32MP and 20MP sensors. Oh, and it's supposedly launching in white. There'll probably be more colors, but we'll have to wait for leaks or the official reveal to know for sure. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Peace.